Thank you for tuning to Mr. Mitsubishi. Today we'll check out this. We'll put this bumper protector on the rear bumper for the all-new Outlander. This here is 2023 PHEV. The same bumper protectors are gonna fit on your gas version of this body style Outlander. On the PHEV makes no difference, but on this vehicle, here's what we did so far. We put nice side moldings right here, so these are very nice. They match together all the chrome elements that we have going on the vehicle and this EV badge. We also installed already these nice door scuff plates right here. It says Outlander. And since we are going chrome theme, might as well put nice chrome bumper protector plate that goes in right here. Super easy install. You can do it yourself. It's not that complicated. And right now, let's just see how it's done. So this is how it looks, and again, very, very simple install. So we unwrap it from the plastic and then we'll just place it where it should be, remove this whole double-sided tape, and off we go. So make sure that you know, the surface is all clean and prepped, so there's no dust or fingerprints, anything like that. Also make sure it's the right temperature when you you know, install it, not too cold, not too hot. So we just brought it outside from you know, the showroom, so the metal and plastic in this case is the right temperature to do this install. So right now let's remove this plastic and see what's what, and let's go. So we, quite simple, find exactly where it needs to sit. We line it up like this, and then we find the middle, right? So make sure it's not on the one side or the other, right? So you gotta find the middle, and like, you know, it's quite easy to figure it out. So you can see that this part right here is against this you know, hatch part right here, and then once it's lined up, we're happy with it. It's very easy. So we just flip it over, remove the entire tape, and then we just put it back on. Now, super important, don't rush because if you don't put it properly, it's kind of game over. So make sure when you put it back in, you know which part was in the center, in the middle here, and then it's quite easy. You always want to start with the first side right here and just line it up like this. Okay, so we're happy. Okay, it's middle, let's follow the line. Okay, we're here, good. And then here, the other side. Okay, and then we just put it on like this. First, you kind of like want to sit on this here side a little bit, then the rest. Okay. Press it a little bit, make sure it's on it. What a great visual difference. Okay, now let's close the tailgate right here, and let's see how big of a difference it gives us. I love how this chrome just finishes off everything that we have on chrome. These Outlander letters here, PHEV decal right here, super all-wheel control decal. Turns out in US they don't have these decals, so I added this in my MrMitsubishi.ca website. It's pretty cheap to ship, so I can ship it out to you as well. If you want this badge, you can visit the store and check it out. And overall, right now it matches so nicely with everything else that we did with side moldings, with door sills, and now we also have this chrome bumper protector plate. Like I said before, there is no difference if you do it on gas or PHEV. Same fits both vehicles. So very easy to install, definitely do it yourself kind of thing. Just take your time, don't rush. And again, thank you so much for tuning into video, checking this out, and see you in next videos.